If your Tesla Model 3 doesn't want to wake up, the problem is most likely with the low 12-volt battery. If the 12-volt battery is low, the car can't get power to launch the system, to just be started. And that's why you can't even get it to start. And you need to jump start the battery or replace the battery in this case. Usually jump starting will help you get the screen on, and when the screen is on, the 12-volt battery will get charged from the main battery, and then you will be able to drive. But unless you make the screen go on, you can't drive your car. So basically you can replace the battery following a strict sequence of disconnection. It's very important for these electric vehicles. You may find it online, there are hundreds of available videos. Or you can jump start the battery with the jump starter. Not with another car, but with a jump starter. It's actually very easy to do, but you just need a jump starter. You need to buy the jump starter. In this case, the only possible reason for the car not waking up is actually the 12-volt battery issue. So this is what you need to check.